initially got started over at the Art Institute of Colorado way back in 2016. I started off as a game art and design major, and about a year and a half through, I decided that the game art world and stuff didn't quite fit with what I wanted to do, and so I switched over to photography. Halfway through the program over there, Art Institute unfortunately met its demise, but thanks to Tom, all the way in the back, I wouldn't be here and have this wonderful home that is Red Rocks if it wasn't for you reaching out and letting me know that, hey, you're going to be here, and that the staff and faculty and everyone here is just awesome. And these past 3 years here have been wonderful, and it really, like Paul said, it's been like a home to me, and everyone that's out here who I've had classes with, and especially all of us that are graduating together, you guys are like family to me always. And I love you guys so much and really appreciate all of everything that Red Rocks has brought to my education and everything. So what I'm going to have up here is going to be a collection of work that I've done over the past 3 years here at Red Rocks, and then at the end will be my graduating portfolio.